Hi, thanks for looking at Manufacturing Basics by Sabre Limited. This is a training and implementation module designed for companies that want to use the manufacturing features of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The goal of this is to get you using production orders, understanding how inventory control works specifically with production, consumption and output of goods, job costing, understanding the different variations of settings within bills of material and routings, understanding the capacity planning modules that are part of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, also Microsoft Dynamics NAV. The program is not necessarily designed for advanced features like MRP, MPS, and forecasting. That's available as a separate module that you can find on our website if you're interested. But it gets you going with all the basics of being able to manufacture parts, job cost, control, and process your orders through the system. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. Please download our brochure, and we hope to hear from you soon.